Hey, what's really good, people? How you doing? Hope everything's good with you. I got this 2017 Jeep Renegade. This is the first generation, no facelift. That would be from 2015 to 2018, and I'm gonna show you how to do the front brakes. All right, how to replace them. So come with me and show you how to do it. Let's go. Right, we're gonna remove this bolt with a 5mm Allen. Push it this way. Right here. We're gonna push the piston. We're gonna put a pry bar between the brake pad and the rotor and push the piston. Like so. All the way to the back. Like that, all the way to the back. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna remove these two guys, 14mm. Same length. Remove the caliper. Remove the brake pads. $16mm socket. Remove the bracket. We're gonna change those hardwares. Same length. Remove the rotor. Alright, I'm gonna brake clean this. Don't forget to brush it. All the way around. You done brushing it, spray it again. We're Gucci now. This rotor comes in the back with grease, so we're gonna have to brake clean it. Both sides. Spray it. Wipe it. Do the same on the other side. Flip the burger. Spray some more. Wipe it. See the grease. Alright, now we mount it. Now that hole got aligned with the right there. Put the screw that hold the rotor in place. Don't forget 5mm Allen. That's it. I'm gonna remove this hardware. Both sides. You can still use it though, but I'm gonna replace it just like that. Brush it if it's a little bit rusty. Okay. Look better, right? I'll brush it. So we're gonna grab the new hardware. Just gonna put it like this. Gucci. Do the same on the other side. Gucci. I'm gonna use some silicone brake lubricant. Alright. Right there. I prefer to do it when it's not mounted. Gucci. Should be good. Make sure this thing is slide in and out. Slide in and out easily. If it doesn't, pull it out. Just like that. Wipe it, re-grease it, put it back. Just like that. Alright, we want to mount it now. Just put it like this. Match the holes. Put the bolts back. Alright, tight it. $16mm socket. We're going to mount the new pads. Just like that. Alright. Do the same on the other side. The other side is supposed to have this clip. It's going to tell you when you need to change the brake pads. That's the thing that is going to squeak. Just do the same. Just like that. Ah. Mount the caliper. You can put some grease here if you want. Gucci. Gucci. Mount the caliper. That. Put the bolts back. 14mm. Tight and snug it. Tight it. 14mm. Okay. Should be Gucci. Now you're done. That's how you get the job done, alright? So let me give you this tip. Before you start the job, remove the cap of the brake fluid reservoir. So when you push the piston, you don't create that much pressure. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna leak a little bit from the reservoir because you're pushing the piston and the brake fluid is racing and it's gonna overflow. But once you go to the driver's seat and step on the brake pedal until it gets hard, pulls, the fluid is going to go down. Then there's when you check the fluid level. If you need to top it off with some brake fluid. Of course, I'll let you know if it's DAP 3 or DAP 4 right now. I want to put the tires back and do what I just told you. Yeah. We're going to come with here, step on the brake pedal. It's going to be soft the first time, then it's going to get hard. Pulse. Oh, it's hard right there. And that's because the piston is pushing against the brake pad and the brake pad is pushing against the rotor. Alright, now we're going to go to the engine bay. How you open the hood? Over here. Here's the latch. See it? Alright. I mean the lever. This is the latch. That's the latch. Lever. Okay, we're gonna come over here. This is the cap that I was telling you for the brake fluid reservoir. Just remove it before you start your job. Okay. If you need to top it off, it's gonna tell you right here. Use only DAP 4 fluid. Okay. Check the level. Supposed to be right there where it says mats. It's kind of low, so we're going to top it off until the where it says mats. Okay. We top it off. Now it's better. Put the cat back. And that's it. Now we're gonna rotate it and everything should be Gucci. Alright. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy, Axtuo Burum. You know where to find me. Shout outs to everybody in the building. Shout out to the subscribers and followers, supporters, everybody. Alright. Thank you. I love you. Pause. I'm clacking out. I'm out deep.